Landed here. Who won yesterday? Was it Colombia or was it England? Let us know in the comment section below if you know.
I think you know who won.
Who?
Who won?
England!
Did they?
Yeah. England is one of the best teams in the world.
No, I don't think so, mate.
I think so.
No, they're not.
Yeah, they are.
Well, at the moment, they're one of the 8 better teams in the world at the moment because they've got through to the quarterfinals. So England, they did win yesterday, but it was on penalties. First time they won on penalties. So we've got an update.
Yeah.
Okay, so what we're doing now today?
We're unboxing this bubble gun.
So you're unboxing the bubble gum. Unboxing the bubble gum.
Bubble
Right.
gum.
Bubble gum what? Shooter.
Yeah, bubble gum. I thought you said bubble gum.
Bubble gum? I did say, oh no, I said bubble gum. New bubble shooter. What does it say?
It says
What does it say up here? What's this?
flashing light.
So it's got flashing lights. What else?
You can make a huge bubble.
Make what?
A huge bubble.
So you can make huge bubbles.
Ah, yeah. And then
What comes in the pack?
a bubble water, something to go with the gun, a bubble maker,
Yeah.
and the actual gun itself.
So, wow. So you got lots of things in there.
Yeah.
So can we get it open? Get it unboxed?
Wait, I'll see what it's made in.
Can we get it unboxed? Where's it made in?
China.
Oh, so it's made in China.
Or the origin of China.
So let's get it unboxed.
Wait, I don't need to do that, do I? Well, that was
Wow,
easy.
what's that?
That was easy enough.
So let's have a look at the packet. Who's it made by? Pass it.
It's made by Bubble Guy.
It's made by...
Oh,
So do not put in adult guidance. Zuzio. Mini bubble gun with lights.
I keep saying bubble gun.
Oh, sorry, I keep saying bubble gum. Enter.
Yeah.
So not suitable for children under 3 years due to small parts. Okay. Let's get... Wow! Guys, ignore the music in the back. Well, you don't have to ignore the music in the background. Let's listen. Dance. Dance. So, how does it make bubbles then? You know?
Yeah, I think you just dip it into there and it just...
You sure that's how you do it?
Yeah.
Don't tilt it like that, because you tilt it like that, it'll spill out.
I can see it in there. Should we make a bubble now just for fun, Dad?
Let's get this open. Let's get this open. Show them what it does. Take it close to the camera.
It does this.
Is it lighting up?
Yeah, but I think you need the...
I'm gonna have to... This is really hard to come off.
You can dip this in water.
And it sticks a bit in it to open it. That's it.
That sounds like a fizzy drink. Wait, it was opening.
Right, so I'm getting it open.
Making progress.
Making progress, and that's what's inside. The liquid.
It's called glycerin.
Glycerin. Is
Yeah,
it called?
glycerin.
So
Well,
what do you do?
It's not called glycerin, but
So what do you do? You put that inside there. There you go. Put it low on the camera then, so you can see it. Look at that. So you can make more bubbles then. Stand up then.
my trousers are
You can dip it
falling
in. Trousers are falling down. Put it in there then. That's it, and go again. Look at that. Some massive bubbles here. Pump it harder. Pump, pump, pump it up. Do it again, do it again, one more. Straight for the kid. Fire it this way.
So see if this
Fire it this
goes
way.
high.
Pump it. That's it. And then see if you can fire it this way. Go. See if you fire it this way. There. Can Dad have a go? Can Dad have a go?
Okay, let me dump it in for you.
Dump it in for me, and then Dad can have a go. You don't have to knock it off. Make sure I can see it. You can see me on the camera. Let's see me. Make sure you can see the. So Dad is gonna.
Can you put it down a bit, please?
Dad's gonna try and make some bubbles.
Put it down, please. Yeah, okay. Wow!
You see it on the camera.
Yeah. That's going. I can't see it. Can you move it down again? You keep moving it. It's got like a rainbow effect.
Do one more.
No, I'll do it.
I'll do it. One more. Go back.
And then I'll do one more.
Shake it. Shake it all about.
That's a huge one.
You've got to pump it fast.
My arms got aching with that, Dad. my arms will hurt after that.
So you can have a go now.
My turn.
See if you can pump it fast.
I'll
Dip it in. Just dip it in first. And then
do that.
that's it. And now you can do it. Put it lower. Go lower. That's it. That's a big one. Look how big that one is. Wow. Wow. Right guys, we're going to say bye. That was the new bubble shooter unboxing. Kids, if you like this video,
And I'll show you how it works. There's 3 cogs at the back. The trigger hits the spring. It hits one of the cogs. The other cog hits that, and then it hits the big orange cog that's in there, and then it spins.
so it spins the air through out into the bubble, into the water. Create a bubble. We say bye guys.